everyone, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with what planners I plan to use for the 2024 year. So I'm kind of excited because I'm kind of changing things up while still keeping things the same. So let's go ahead and start with the no-brainer here, which I actually am going to just quickly kind of lightly set up with you. And this is my SPC edit from Pression in this gorgeous purple color. I will link all of the planners down below. I love the gold hardware on this. I think it is stunning. This is also the SPC edit inserts as well, so I love using these every year. This is going to be my filming planner, and then I also just use a set of these dividers. I like the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because I do put half of the year in one planner and half of the year in the other planner. I do think I need to like put the holes in these, but I could do that off camera so that you aren't bored. So just know that I use the jumbo A5 wide dividers as well. You also do have the top dividers, so you could do like the whole year, but I like just doing half of the year in my planner. So this is going to be my filming planner for the first half of the year. And like I said, it is the SPC edit, so it's very blank, perfect for laying down stickers. And yeah. Oh, he put in the blank ones this time. That is very cool. So you can put your dividers in here and not waste a spread. So we love that. Then the next thing I'm going to show you is going to be my non-filming planner. And I decided to go with an Erin Condren. I bought an Erin Condren because I got so many questions as far as if my kits fit the Erin Condren, and I'm always meaning to do like an updated video because I haven't had an Erin Condren planner in like 110 years. But I just wanted to see kind of how it worked, and it does work. I did go ahead and print myself out, well, not print it, but cut myself out some of these strips that I used on the bottom. I did do a whole video on this. I will link it down below, but these are just like stickers to cover up the bottom section. So I'm thinking about listing these just in case anybody needs them. If I do list them, I will put it in the description down below as like Erin Condren bottom washi cover-ups. But otherwise, everything works perfectly, and I think it looks stunning. So I went ahead, this I bought at Target. You can get an Erin Condren's like $35 or $38 or something at Target. This is a 2024 dated planner. It only comes, I think, in this and then the like century circle type design, but you can get it uncustomized like silver coil, or you can get it from erincondren.com, which if I have like a coupon or referral or something, I'll leave it down below. But I went ahead and got like a customized one. I didn't do any text customized. I just did the custom coil. This is newer and it's really, really pretty. It's like a gradient to like, it's like a tealish blue, purple to like a violet. I don't know. Magenta. I thought it looked good with this cover. Like, I feel like these kind of colors kind of match, but I just got the 2024 in the hollow. I think this is really pretty. It has the little Erin Condren like asterisks throughout. I thought they were snowflakes at first, and I was like, oh, that's cute for January. And then I was like, it's not very cute for July, but that is just like how it is. Let me show you how it looks. But this is the neutral version, so there's no color or anything, which I really, really do like, and I think it's really nice and neat. Has that Erin Condren paper that I love to sniff because I'm a little bit of a weirdo. I might go ahead and like take out some of these like back stickers and stuff because I probably won't use them. My kids will love them though, just so it doesn't bulk up as much. I don't think I'm going to use the monthly in this because this is my non-filming planner. It's just to kind of like have fun with stickers, post them on Instagram, and I think it's just going to be something fun to do. And I just like the idea of having just kind of like a different kind of coil situation. I'm sure that this is going to bother me at some point during the year because it's not like a core metal, but you know, sometimes you have like a pink, or that's a bad example, like a really dark spread, and then you have like a bright gold coil, rings or something, and it's like fine. So we'll see how it goes, but I feel like I use these kind of colors enough anyways. So that is going to be my non-filming planner. So if you wanted to see the spreads in this, I'll probably do a flip through at the end of the year, but otherwise just follow me on Instagram. Okay, then we have kind of more of the like pen only planners that I use. The first one that I'm going to be using is the Aura, Estelle, and Annie Plans 2024 Essential Weekly B6 Dated. It's a mouthful. I will link it down below. I used this last year, this year. You're watching this year, yeah. So I use this year every single week. I have never stuck to an all pen planner for a whole year. I always like change it up, whatever. But I used this one. I'll show you to you. The whole year. I did some stickers, but then I decided I didn't really like the stickers. But I used this every single day for the whole year, which is wild. So I decided I'm not going to change anything up. I am just going to stick to it. The design is like basically the same. I think the lines are a little bit darker, I think. It looks like it from what I can see, which I don't know if I really care too much. TBH, I have like stuff written in every one of them, but the lines are darker, I think, which might be good because you can see a lot through here. But yeah, and it's like a little more bold, maybe a little smidge. It feels more modern with the bold lines. It's really pretty. So how I use this is I put all the new releases in this column here with little, like, I just make little check boxes with a highlighter. I like these Sharpie highlighters. They're super fun because they have like, I'm just all about weird, like kitschy things, but I think that's so fun. Got them at Target, big pack of them. So I do all of my new releases and then I check them off as I list them. And then I do like the to-dos that are, oh, I like that has the week 3. I don't think that, oh, it does, but it's just so light you can't notice before. I do check boxes in here for daily specific things. And then over here, I do a weekly checklist of things that don't necessarily need to be done on a certain day. And then I do a YouTube video section, and then I do an Instagram, so that I make sure I post both of those. If I have any notes about anything, I'll put it down here. And then I don't really use the monthly though. I didn't last year, but I may this year coming up for like YouTube videos. I might like to plan it out. And then the other thing that I wanted to start doing is, I actually don't remember. It already left my brain. I don't know if there was note pages in between either. I don't think there was, but that's kind of helpful. So anyways, I really, really like this. Is this new? Yeah, I think that this is new, the little, like what month it is. So really love this. I will leave a link to it down below. Like I said, I used it all of last year. There's a lot of note pages at the end. I don't think I used any of them. There's not as many in the, there's none at the end of this one. So they added a bunch of note pages. It's kind of impossible to show you what mine looks like squished together because it's, oh yeah, you can see it's a lot bigger. So excited about that. I definitely will utilize those. So all is well, very excited to have that. And then the last thing is something completely new for me that I'm going to be doing this year. I got this on Amazon. I'm sure there's tons of places to buy it, but honestly for me, I don't know if I'm going to stick to this, so I didn't want to spend a ton of money on it, but I feel like if I stick to it next year, maybe I'll buy something new and fancy. Let me know in the comments down below if there is some kind of notebook that you have in mind that would be something I could get for next year. But this was like 10 bucks. So I want to keep a reading journal this year. I've seen so many really cute reading journal inspirations on Pinterest and Instagram, and I think it'd be really fun and kind of like artistic-ish of me, like kind of, you know, just creative, I guess, to do a reading journal. I've been super into reading this last half of the year. I was really into reading the last half of last year and the beginning of this year, and then I kind of fell off into a reading slump. But I have found some like really fun spreads I want to do in here, and I'll probably use the same Sharpie highlighters. And then I also really like in my Estelle using, I don't know, it's like a blend pen. I don't know. It's 0.5. It's like all in Japanese, I think. So I get these from like a Japanese bookstore near me. I have a bazillion of them, but I really, really like this pen. And I used it almost exclusively last year in my Estelle. So I'll probably use a combination of these. I think the other pen that I've been using is in my non-filming planner. I've been using the Papermate Ink Joint Gel 0.7 because I feel like it is a similar thickness to a lot of the scripts I use. So I may use a thicker pen. So it'll kind of go between these two, I think. I either want to do thin or I want to do thick. I haven't decided. I feel like the thin will look like fancier, but then I think it's like you can tell when you make mistakes more with a thin pen. So we will see. I haven't decided yet, but if you want to see videos on this, like I probably wouldn't do any of me actually doing a spread, but I could show you like finished, like maybe at the end of every month, I could just do like a quick little flip through. If you'd rather see on Instagram, let me know in the comments down below. But I'm very excited. Also, if you know anybody who does YouTube videos on reading journals, I'm sure I could just look it up, but I would love to see, inspiration. I saw one from Haley Pham, I think her name is, which I didn't know. I think she actually lives in Austin, which is cool. But I saw a video of hers and I got inspired. So I went on Pinterest and found a lot of different spreads I want to do. But yeah, I think this stack is really aesthetic. The only thing is I don't really like how this is black. Obviously I had this one from last year, but I didn't really think about it last year. But I was like, I think it'd be really pretty. Let me know if this is logistically makes sense. Is if I got some vinyl, like glittery vinyl, like not texturally glitter vinyl, but like, you know, like foil, how it has like glitter in it, but it's like flat. Do that and then just like stick it on and then cut the edges. What do you think? Would it stay on? Should I wrap the inside a little bit? Maybe like kind of like cut a little slit here, wrap it in. What do you think? Would it work? Would it be worth it? I feel like because I think the stack aesthetic is not black. I feel like a sparkly pink, a sparkly purple, hollow something would make this really fun. So let me know what you think about that in the comments down below as well. But I'm very excited for the new year. I am just like pumped to like get into all of these, start doing spreads. And I will link everything I can down below. But if you have any questions, also let me know in the comments. But if you are not already, please like and subscribe. And I will talk to y'all in my next video.